Hi guys, this is Dan here from Trackerlyreview.net and welcome to my video review of Trackerly, how to boost conversions with Ninja Tracking. In this video, you are going to learn about what is Trackerly, the link tracking management system made by John Reel. You will also learn how this software can help you boost your conversion rates with its various features. First, let's understand why this software can be important for you. Building a successful online business consists of four major pillars. First, you need to have a product or another person's product to sell as an affiliate. Second, you need to get visitors who have problems that your product can solve. Third, you need to convert these visitors into buyers. And fourth, you need to turn your customers into repeat customers that buy more products from you. Achieving all four pillars is a difficult task to do. You need to rely on software and other tools to make the process easier for you. Relying on software can help speed up your workflow or automate the repetitive tasks so you save time. Using software allows you to become a better online business entrepreneur because it allows you to focus on the most important tasks that cannot be done using a software. One of the most precious software to have in your toolkit is a link management system. Building an online business means you have to track where your website visitors are coming from and where they're going. By understanding your website visitors' behavior, you can improve your website's efficiency and get a higher number of visitors that become buyers that make you more profit. There is some software that allow you to track your links and visitors. One of them is called Trackerly, and in this review, I'm going to share with you about what it is, how it works, the strength and the weaknesses of the software, and how it can help you become a more successful affiliate marketer. Okay, so what can you do with Trackerly? Trackerly is a link redirection and tracking system that aims to be the most complete and advanced software of its kind that you can find. It was originally named Go Try This, and it is made by John Reel, a software programmer and online entrepreneur based in Canada, who published the original version in 2006. The software won an award for Internet Marketing Software of the Year in 2006, and it has been used by numerous internet marketers for several years. Therefore, it's not a scam or a hoax, and you can be sure that this software is legit and made by a successful company. Okay, so here we are inside the Trackerly dashboard. Now, Trackerly works on a web-based platform. Once you become a member, you log in into the members area to access the software. From here, you can install it on your site. The software works on both WordPress sites and sites based on other platforms. If you use it on a non-WordPress site, the installation will install all the files you need. If you install it on a WordPress site, you must manually activate the plugin in your dashboard. You also get a complete set of video tutorials that explain to you each feature of the software, and there are more tutorials added consistently. There is also a support forum where you can ask questions to the development team and John himself. Once you have installed it, there are three main types of links you can create in Trackerly. The first one, you can create redirect links using your existing domain name. These branded links help to boost your conversion rate because your visitors trust you more when they see links that are the same name as your domain and not a tracking link. An example of a branded redirect link is trackerlyreview.net/gettrackerly instead of tracker.ly/join/562. The second type, you can create redirect links on an unused domain name. This feature allows you to use a non-hosted domain name and set up redirect links on them. Or you can redirect this non-hosted domain to a link of your choice. You don't have to host your domain name to use the link creation features of Trackerly. If you want to host the domain name, you can set up hosting and have Trackerly return the links to you so they stay active after migration. And the third type, you can create redirect links on a short domain name that should point to Trackerly servers. This feature allows you to create branded short URLs that carry your brand name. These links increase the perceived value of your website's brand when they're shared around the internet. Other than the main features here, you can also create a standard short link using the domain twee.to and klk.to. And you can create a QR code for your website that you can post as an image on a digital flyer or pamphlet or even a physical name card. Okay, so first let's install the software onto a demo site. First, we'll choose New and then choose Domain. And then we'll choose the self-hosted website. Use our installer to set up your site for branded keyword links. And here in the Setup Your Website step 1 of 3, you enter your domain name, your FTP address, your port, your FTP username, and your FTP password. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video for a minute while I enter my credentials. Alright, so here I've entered the website name, which is tracklyreview.net, the FTP, which is ftp.tracklyreview.net, the default port, the FTP username, which is trackerl, and the FTP password. Let's click Next. Alright, so we have confirmed the FTP credentials and we are in step 2 of 3 of Set Up Your Website. At this section, you need to choose your public HTML folder, and if you're on WordPress, you need to make sure that you are in your main WordPress folder. And this is correct, so let's click on Next. Okay, we are in the step 3 of 3, and here you have a choice to set up or select your 404 error page. You can choose your existing 404 page, install an SEO friendly one, or use your home page, which is not ideal for SEO. I don't currently have a 404 page on my website, so we'll just choose install an SEO friendly one and click Next. Okay, so the installer is setting up the software on my website, which is tracklyreview.net, and it's doing its magic, and this will take a couple of minutes, and I'm going to pause the video as the installer is doing its job.